Hi, I am Zaheer. I want to become better at speaking English. This is my first video. I am very excited to share my journey with you. So, today I will discuss an incident that occurred a few days ago while I was attending college to turn in my assignment. At the bus stop, I was waiting for bus, and that day it was raining heavily, and that reason the bus was late in arriving. Then suddenly I heard a noise from birds near the bus stop, and at the time I rushed swiftly. What is was? So I saw a mongoose. I think the mongoose. The mongoose had fallen from the tree, and it was pouring down rain at a time. But I tried to save its life, but unfortunately it perished, and the rain continued to fall. The rain continued. I think you understand the situation. So I think you touch some emotion at a time. The heavy rain, mongoose had fallen from the tree, and I tried to save its life, but unfortunately it perished. Then I picked up its body and carefully placed it near the tree, hoping hoping it found some peace. And at the time the rain continued to fall, if morning with me, then the bus arrived, then me back into the routine. A small life I tried to save left a lasting impression on me.